Hello viewers, welcome to the video tutorial on how to modify your bank account details in your Samco account. So let's begin. First, visit and log in on star.samco.in with your back office login credentials. Once you logged in, click on the name mentioned on the top right of the screen and select account settings. Now click on modify now button to modify account details using Aadhaar card. Please ensure that your Aadhaar number is registered with your mobile number and email address. Now a drop down box will appear where you will find a list of the options you can modify. To modify your bank details, there are two options available. One, you can either add a secondary bank account. In this case, you will be able to transfer the funds from both the accounts. If you wish to delink your existing account and link a new account, select existing bank modification. For both the illustrations, the process remains the same. In this illustration, we will select add secondary bank account. Enter your Aadhaar number and click on submit. A dialog box will appear which states that proceed only if you have Aadhaar number registered with your mobile number and email address. Click on OK to confirm. Now fill all the bank details such as bank name, account number, account type, etc. Please ensure that the details mentioned must match with your bank proof attached. Select the desired bank proof you want to upload as a supporting document and click on Choose File button to upload a scanned copy and click on Submit to proceed. Now you have to pay a small charge for proceeding this request. You can either pay using a payment gateway, or if you have sufficient balance in your account, you can pay it using your ledger. As this account doesn't have sufficient balance, we can only pay using online payment option. Now select your desired option and click on Pay Now. Now fill all the billing details and proceed with your desired payment option. Once you completed your transaction, now you will be redirected to NSDL eSign portal where you have to click on the checkbox and enter your Aadhaar number and click on Send OTP. Now you will receive an OTP on your registered email address as well as on mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on Verify OTP. Once your OTP is verified successfully, your request will be processed within 72 hours. You will get all the updates about your request on your registered email address. In case you face any difficulty, feel free to contact us on 022-2222-7777 or raise a ticket on www.samco.in/support. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.